po yan. Beside the Baptist Hospital is the university. So this is the Hong Kong Baptist University. Yeah. So we're going to the other side. Akyat ulit tayo ng bundok para makapunta tayo sa Shek Kip Mei and San Sit Lung. So this is the Kowloon Park, Kowloon Tong Park. We are now in Kowloon Tong. Diyan po kami lagi nag-i-stay noon, mga bata. Nung malilit sila, naglalaro sila sa park na yan. And this is a big Adventist Mormon church. May malaking Mormon church dito sa Kowloon Tong. This is Catro. Dito kayo bababa. If you wanna go to the MTR, may MTR din dito sa Kowloon Tong. Dito kayo baba. And yung bag ko mapigat. Then next time I'll show you naman yung, ayan yung karamihan dito sa area ni dito ay school. They use it for kindergarten school. Mga malalaki kasi dito ang bahay dito sa Kowloon Tong. It's not a building but it's only a 2 stories apartment and it's big, it's like a house. So they use it for kindergarten schools. And this one is the Festival City and the City University. May college din po dyan, college school. So we are now going up and then we can overlook the other side. The Hong Kong Island is the other side of this mountain. And last time I have a vlog about hiking. We did the rock climbing here. Not hiking, is a rock climbing. We did the rock climbing up here because now we are up in the mountain. And that side is the mountain but you cannot see because it's the other side. Yeah, we went to the other side to do the rock climbing because that one is the Lion Rock Mountain. So, yeah. We crossed that footbridge. Mabilis lang ang dere. So, if you see, you can overlook now. Lots of buildings there. And that's another part. Yeah, that's the bus you can take. If you want to do the rock climbing or hiking up here, that's the bus number. And now you can overlook some of the buildings down there. Tall buildings. Yan. Ayan na, oh. Kita nyo, pati school. Overlooking natin. And if you look farther, that's the Hong Kong Island crossing the harbor. Dumaan po kami dito sa kilid ng bundok. If you notice po, nasa gilid kami ng bundok dumaan. Kaya this is the first time I will show you this in live na dumaan kami dito sa gilid ng bundok. Kasi ito yan, ito sa kabila yung gilid. Ito bundok yan sa gilid kasi hindi niya makikita. Kasi nasa opposite yung aking camera. Kaya marami sa malayo, marami kayo makikita mga buildings na dyan. Yung bundok doon sa malayo, Hong Kong Island na yan eh. Kasi opposite na yan eh. Magtawid kayo, you can take the ferry going there or the bus tunnel. Kasi mayroon din ditong tunnel na sa ilalim ng dagat. So pababa na po kami ng bundok. We're going down the mountain. School. Ayan, school din yan. Kasi ang daming mga bulak. Oh. Nag-iiparan yung mga bulak. Kasi mahangin ngayon. Eh. Puro bulak na. You know, maraming bulak na. Maraming puno ng bulak dito sa Hong Kong. Ayan. Kaya ng business nila noon. Ayan o. Lots of cotton trees. Ayan ang cotton trees sa taas. Oh. Wala makita. Kasi marami nakakalat na cotton. Mga cottons. So here.
Please hold the handrail. 请紧握扶手。
Bakit walang